Throughout the case, even when we got to the Court of Appeals after the trial court ruled, the trustee's position was, we can do whatever we want. We don't have any limitation, and we don't have to ask permission of any of the lot owners or get their input before making whatever assessments or improvements, including building new buildings, doing whatever refurbishing is required to existing buildings, changing uses, whatever, and they consistently maintained, even in the Court of Appeals, that they had this authority and there was no limit on that authority. It has been our stated goal throughout the case to establish to the trustees in a binding determination that there are such limits, that they may maintain the property, they can make ordinary improvements. I mean, I suppose a new roof might have better materials than the original roof, but it would still fall under maintenance and maybe an ordinary improvement just because materials increased in value or in effectiveness. But uses that change the fundamental purpose for which a building is being used, uses that substantially increase or enhance the value or the different usages of the property, are uses that under the trust agreement are required to be initiated by the lot owners and cannot be unilaterally determined by the trustees. This was my reading of the trust from the beginning, and ultimately the Common Pleas Court and the Court of Appeals agreed with that determination. The Court of Appeals said, and I think anybody that read the trust probably would have come to this conclusion, but except for the trustees and their counsel, but an extraordinary improvement which requires that lot owners vote for and approve these expenditures in advance before the expenditures are made, is one that enhances the trust property's value or utility or adapts it to a new or additional purpose. That's final. The Court of Appeals ruled. There was an opportunity for 45 days to file an appeal to the Ohio Supreme Court. It wouldn't have been successful, but they elected not to file such an appeal. So that determination that the trustees do not have unlimited authority has been made. It is binding. It will go forward from time now and throughout the course of the trust to people that benefit, the people that you sell your properties to, your children, whoever is your subsequent owners. There will never again be a doubt that the trustee's authority is limited and not unlimited.